Hey Pipons!
Hey Cactus! Let's make a meal with this awesome kitchen playset. Look at all this cool stuff inside.
Oh man, I'm hungry!
Fear you, Cactus. This playset makes us too hungry. We're going to make them yummy, yummy food, using the super awesome molds.
Nice, those look good!
Yeah, let's get started. It's orange over here at the back and green on the front.
So we have different patterns in each mold.
It feels like that. We're going to use these molds to make a burger. Yay! Yay! I like burger. We make the burger bun together.
Yes, I like cooking.
Now we are going to cook the meat. Here's our spatula, and let's go ahead and grill our patties.
Give it all a little press. Now, I think is ready to be flip over.
It smells good.
Press it again. Make sure it's get cocked.
Okay, I think that's done.
We're going to put them on the plate.
Now, time to cook your bread. Time to use our tweezers to put our buns. I think we're done. So let's get our burger patty.
Goes right here. It looks so yummy.
How about some lettuce?
Ketchup, please.
Tomato ketchup for Cactus. How about you pythons?
No, thank you. All done.
This is for Cactus.
It's so yummy.
And for Pipons.
Nice. This totally saves the day.
Put your apron on, wash your hands. Let's get out some pots and pans, cups, plates and wooden spoon. A little cooking tune. Cause cooking in the kitchen is so much fun. We're cooking dinner for everyone. We're cooking in the kitchen, baking a cake. So many yummy things we can make. We're cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the
Yes,
I like cook.
I love you, baby.
Learn and play.